This is the Huawei Mate XT, the world's first triple folding smartphone. It's the future of mobile technology, and today we're diving deep into what makes this device stand out. Let's start with the display. The Huawei Mate XT isn't just a foldable phone, it's a transformative experience. Fold it once and you've got a compact 6.4-inch device, perfect for one-handed use. Fold it out once more, and boom, it expands to 7.9 inches, ideal for multitasking or browsing. But fully unfolded, you get a massive 10.2-inch display, almost like holding a tablet in your hand. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or working on multiple apps, the LTPO OLED screen with 90Hz refresh rate delivers vibrant colors and super smooth visuals. Now let's talk about the camera setup. On the back, we've got a 50-megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization, perfect for sharp, detailed shots even in low light. There's also a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens for capturing those stunning landscapes, and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens with 5.5 times optical zoom, which lets you get up close to your subject without losing quality. Whether you're capturing everyday moments or zooming in on distant objects, the Mate XT's variable aperture and optical zoom ensure your photos and videos come out looking professional. Under the hood, the Mate XT is powered by the Kirin 9010 processor, designed for peak performance with 16GB of RAM. This phone can handle everything you throw at it, from high-end gaming to heavy multitasking, and it does so smoothly. And let's not forget the 5600 mAh battery. That's 3 separate batteries working together to keep you powered throughout the day. Plus, with 66-watt fast charging and 50-watt wireless charging, you'll spend more time using your phone and less time charging it. Of course, the Mate XT is 5G ready, which means you'll experience blazing fast speeds for streaming, downloads, and video calls. No more lag or waiting. It also supports Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and NFC, ensuring you're always connected no matter where you are. The Huawei Mate XT isn't just another foldable, it's a game changer. With 3 folding panels, powerful cameras, and top-tier performance, this phone is designed to redefine what's possible in mobile technology. Starting at 19,999 Chinese yuan, the Mate XT comes in 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB storage options. Are you ready to unfold the future? The Huawei Mate XT is available for pre-order now. Don't wait. Click the link below to pre-order yours today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cutting-edge tech reviews.